Hey everybody, this is Christie. Thank you so much for joining me again on Little by Little. So today we have some Valentine's Day gifts and ideas from Burlington and Dollar Tree. First up, we're going to start with the gifts from Burlington. There's one from Bath & Body Works, one small one from Amazon, and one small one from Dollar Tree. Alright, so from Burlington, if you go to their jewelry section, you will see that they have this really pretty Ellen Tracy gift set. It retails for $27, but they have it at Burlington for $19.99. The box is coated in a really beautiful champagne goldish colored flock paper box, and it has gold lettering on it. And inside you will find a necklace and earring set as well as a watch. They are both in rose gold. The jewelry set is actually a puffy heart design, and it's like a little key, and they both the watch and the necklace set are both with rhinestone detail. Sorry about the focus on the camera. I'll try to figure that out on my next go round here. I'm still relatively new with it. But you can give this gift to your mom, grandmother, your aunt, a cousin, niece, nephew, whoever you want to give it to. Next up, Tommy Bahama for her. They also have this this is actually in the perfume section, which you'll find closer to the register. I believe it said it retails for $48, but they have it at Burlington for $19.99. This is a really nice gift to give to like a coworker or a friend. Just so they know actually that you're thinking about them during this time. Also, right now at Burlington, they have the Philosophy Amazing Grace gift set. It came in a gift box, but I'm going to use this for the DIY that you're going to see in a little bit. So it comes with a shower gel and also with a 4-ounce body butter. Let me tell you something. This stuff smells so frickin' pretty. I love the smell of this stuff. All right, next up, the DIY, the mini gift basket. So we're going to make this gift basket using one of the flat crates from Dollar Tree. I'm actually going to refurbish this one that I already had from a previous project. I'm going to coat this really quickly with some white chalk paint from Waverly, just enough to cover the design so that way you do not see the dark, like the paint and stuff from the previous project. It's just to give it a nice coating so that way when you put on the next coat of paint, it'll be very, very bright. You can use any brush you want, just make sure that you're covering all the cracks and crevices of the crate, like right here in the little corners and things like that. Next up, we're going to use this ballet pink chalk paint from Folk Art, and we're just going to coat the entire box. So that means sides, inside, bottom, everything. The type of shade is up to you. If you want to make it lighter by adding a little more white paint to it or darker, it's up to you. I decided to just keep it the plain pink color that it comes in because I'm going to put my own design on the inside. Whatever design you want to put on the inside is up to you as well. Be very careful when putting on the pink paint on the inside. Sometimes it won't get to like the shade that you want. You can add another coat if you wish, just to make it either darker, or if you like the white is showing underneath, it's entirely up to you. I didn't want too much of the white to show underneath, so on the sides, at least on the sides, I actually put more on the sides than I did at the base because I'm putting a design there. So I wasn't really too concerned about that. Once it is dry, we're going to start putting on the design on the bottom. As you can see, there's still some white showing, but that's okay. I mixed 3 different shades. So there's a darker pink, a medium pink, and then there's also the white. I'm going to make a cloud design. You can use the Dollar Tree stencil brush set if you wish. Alright, after it's dry, or semi-dry, I'm actually going to add some of Dollar Tree's white and iridescent glitter. I mixed them together in one container, and I'm going to place some right underneath each of the clouds because I wanted the bottom part of the clouds to have like a sparkle to it. So you can see here when it's in the light, it looks very, very dainty, very cute. I love this. Now, for those who have a Cricut, this design that I'm going to put on the inside is used with the Cricut design space, which I'm not going to show you here. I actually lost the footage for that, but we're going to use Cricut paper in the sunset color. It's like an iridescent sunset color. And I typed out the word heavenly. If you want to know, the font that I used is Edwardian. Once you have finished cutting out the design and taking out all the pieces and weeding out all the pieces, you're going to place the design in the center of the tray. It's taking me a minute to get this thing off of the backing. So sorry about that. So very carefully, just center it and place it down in the bottom. Make sure also that you get all of the residue from the glitter, like the excess pieces that fall off. Make sure none of those are any loose pieces of glitter are there. Otherwise, it's not going to stick properly. And you're just going to use your scraping tool to make sure it is firmly adhered to the base of whatever you're working. I had a bit of trouble getting this thing off of the base. I have off of the tray. I have no idea what happened here, but I was having a really hard time getting it off of there. The transfer tape actually stuck really well to this. I was actually worried it was going to tear the paint off. It did take off a little bit of the glitter, but that's okay. I find that it's easier to try to pull the transfer tape off flush with the remaining tape. That way you don't pull off the vinyl. And when you're done, this is what you should be left with. Normally I coat the trays with epoxy, but for this video I did not do that because I was kind of pressed for time. You'll see that I put a little bit of tissue paper there just to prop up the items I'm going to place inside. So from Bath & Body Works, they have this really beautiful champagne toast shower gel that smells really nice. And I think it retails for about like $13, $14. And then from Dollar Tree, I'm also placing in some of their watermelon aloe facial wipes. And from Amazon, they have this facial mister that you can use to moisturize your skin. And you can use it in conjunction with the facial wipes. It has this really fine mist that comes out, and there's also this really beautiful blue light for aesthetic purposes. And inside you can place mineral water and just turn it on and you click it down, and it's really good for moisturizing your skin. This would be a really cute gift basket for just like for a coworker or something like that if you want to give them something like this. It's very basic, very simple, and this still shows that you've thought enough about them to give them something nice. By the way, I love the Bolero products. Just thought I'd put that in there. Alright, so for the second version of this basket, we're going to start adding the Amazing Grace Bath & Body Set. And you can just tuck this in any way you want. I'm just going to lay it just like this. Place it just like that, and you still have a little bit of space on the side if you want to add like one of the candy bars from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree right now is carrying Godiva bars in dark chocolate and milk chocolate with caramel, and they also have some Lindt chocolate as well, and you can just wrap some cellophane around that. All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys watching my video. Please make sure to click like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Take care and be safe out there.